Chevy Yachty pulling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Never fail. Chevy Yachty rolling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Chevy Yachty rolling up, bass hit loud as hell. Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Ever fail. Yo, Chevy Yachty rolling up, bass hitting loud as hell. Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail. Yeah, Ellis swap car, truck, horsepower don't ever fail.
What's up, YouTube? This your boy. I'm back on a Red Bull. Got a lot of energy right now, y'all. Got a Red Bull. I'm done with it though. But anyway, y'all, I can't drop this. It's an unboxing video, but I'm gonna explain to you what's going on with the old school. All right, the old school is done. The swap is done. The axles is done. But the gasket for the rear diff cover don't line up. So I had to order another gasket for that because the hose is off. So that be in Friday, hopefully. This right here came from Amazon, y'all. So I'm gonna show you what this is. Man, I've been waiting for a long time for this, y'all. I finally got it. And it's one of the two I ordered. I ordered these Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. I got them one Thursday. I was supposed to get one tomorrow. But man, this old school, man, is finally coming together. Y'all heard it crank up. Man, I'm so happy, y'all. I'm gonna do I'm gonna put the video of my engine start up in this video so y'all can hear how strong my engine sound, man. How much fire this engine got. You know what I mean? But at the end, y'all, I got what I needed right here, y'all. I'm telling y'all, this is one of the two I needed. I got 2 more packages out there. So I had to go to O'Reilly's and order this. So Friday, I'm looking at Friday, or Saturday, or Monday. So, man, oh man, it's been a long time coming, y'all. So it's time to bring Lucille home. Lucille's supposed to be home Saturday, Friday or Saturday. So let's see what this is, y'all. It's one of the 2 I ordered on Amazon. So I'm gonna put the link in the description for this right here I got. Man, it feels so good, man. This right here was 5 out of 5 reviews. I bought it, and man, I'm happy to get my car together, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this to show you and tell you, man, this means a lot because my car is finally coming together, man. I'm gonna have my old school running. Before you know it, I do have to get a tire fix though. A tire is leaking air because the rim got dirt around the rim. So I'm gonna take it down the next week and get them to take the tire off, clean that off, clean the rim up on the inside where the tire hit the rim at. And man, my plans is for these rims, man, get them painted, the color match my car. Man, that's gonna be a hard little look, y'all. So y'all stay tuned for that. Man, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, y'all. They packed this thing on wheel, y'all. So, like I said before, I'm thinking about getting my Dakota Digitals next month or my PlayStation next month. So, y'all know I get my PlayStation to my son, so I gotta get me another PlayStation. I'm going with the PlayStation Pro this time, y'all. The PlayStation Pro. You hear me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I came with another box, y'all. Came with another box. So, where the tape store is at, y'all? I don't have no razor on me. I can use these keys right here, though. So, I want to tell y'all, man, Cowboy, man, that means a lot, man. Real friends, stand up, man. Appreciate you, dog. Once again. So, man, oh man, Cowgirl, y'all surprised me, y'all. I'm telling y'all got me off guard, man. But thank y'all again, man. That means a lot. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and unbox this to show you my little the word or that more tape, y'all. Some more tape. All right, y'all, here we go. All right, y'all. Y'all see, I got stuff for my AC. My AC bracket came in. So, yes, sir, it's all ready to put together. On this side, all I got to do is screw it down to this plate right here. The brackets right here. Nice heavy duty brackets, y'all. Shout out to 84 Cutting. He linked me to this right here. The AC bracket and the power steering bracket, y'all. So, yes, sir. Shouts out to 84 Cutting, y'all. Real hard brackets, y'all. Nice. This ain't no cheap stuff, y'all. This bracket here. I don't think about it. I don't see it got no instructions, y'all. So we have to figure this out. I'm gonna get with my neighbor, y'all, because he been wanting to help me do some work on my car. You know what I mean? Nice, look at this. Nice solid pieces, y'all. Got all my hardware I'm gonna use right here. And my spacers right here. Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all. I'm coming, y'all. I'm coming. What do we have instructions, y'all? It does have instructions. Right here. I'm gonna keep this. See this right here, y'all? Came in Spanish and English. I got a LS R4 AC compressor bracket. That's what this is. Instructions and the pieces right here. Yes, sir. Here you go, y'all. Here's the other piece to the puzzle. Real good solid material, y'all. I like that. Real solid material. All right, this is my for my AC. And man, once again, man, I'm getting ready, y'all. Woo! Y'all just don't understand. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back in the box and keep all my stuff together, y'all. I'm gonna put my instructions in first, so that won't get messed up or wet. This right here is my like I said, this is right here is my tension pulley. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy, he's getting it, y'all. This is my hardware, my screws and stuff right here. All my screws and hardware right here. My bracket right here. My spacers. And my other pieces right here. So, yes sir, yes sir. We getting it in, y'all. We getting it in. So one more piece to come in. And y'all, we gonna put this on the car tomorrow or today, sometime today. And I'm going to the shop today also, y'all, so y'all know. I might put it on my car today. I might put this on my car today. So hope y'all enjoyed this small little unboxing video, y'all. Shouts out to Amazon Prime. I got it in time, way before the weekend came. So this came from Atlanta, Georgia. You know what I mean? So one more piece to come in. And I have all I need to put all my breakers, put all my hardware, put all my AC bracket on, and to put my AC on, and my power steering and alternator. So shots out, man. I'm telling you, man, I'm ready. I'm getting this thing done. And it's well worth the wait. I'm telling y'all, man, it means a lot that my car is finally about to be on the road, y'all. So the reason why I'm getting everything I need because the brackets, man. The bracket was all I was lacking to put everything back in. So I'm going with the R4. I'm going with the R4 AC compressor. And that be it. And I'm telling you, once I get my power steering bracket in, you know, man, I'm telling you, it means a lot. It means a lot that my car's coming together, y'all. I want to thank y'all for stopping by, checking this video out, y'all. Make sure y'all run this video up, y'all. Shouts out to Amazon again, coming through for me, man. So now, I gotta work on your boy Tag right quick, your boy King Loke Tag. So, I mean, he might be at work, so I just called him, but he ain't answer his phone, so he might be at work, or I didn't hear my phone ring. But it's all good. I'm gonna call him again, because I want to get the tech out of the way, man. I'm trying to focus on the old school all weekend to get him from the shop, y'all. So, let's get it, y'all. Do what you love and love what you do. Your boy signing out. Gone. All right, YouTube, what's going on? Got my bracket in for my AC. This bracket go on first. Then I routed the other bracket right here to the, and I used the little, I used the two spacers right there. Got a spacer right here with the buttons on the air compressor. And I put my pulley on. All I gotta do is go ahead and get my belts and stuff now. For this side, it's almost done. I go to the store and get a longer screw for this right here. So let's get it, y'all. Almost there. One more bracket down. Tomorrow we'll get it in, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna cut you back on when I get the screw and show you everything lines up right. I'll be back, y'all. Go. What's going on, YouTube? I'm back, y'all. Today, man, I'm working on old school, y'all. I got my AC put in, but I had to go to the part store, to the bulk supply store, and get 4 of these. So the ones I have now was not lining up right. So I'm gonna use these two. I'm gonna use two in the place of this one here. So I got a line. They're a little bit too. They're 2 inches longer, y'all. So the ones I have, it won't go into the block. So I'm gonna show y'all more when I get back to the shop, y'all. So this thing is done, y'all. It's done. So hope y'all enjoyed my small little clip. Back to the shop, y'all. Let's go.
Yo.